In this video, I am going to show you how to fix College Football 25 crashing on Xbox. If you want to solve this problem, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Clear save data on Xbox Series X. You need to go to Settings, then go to Systems, then go to Storage. Then select your storage device and choose Save Data. Then delete any College Football 25 saved data. Step number 2. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest system software. Then check for updates in Settings. Then go to System, then go to Updates. Step number 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure your Xbox is connected to a stable internet connection. Sometimes server related issues can cause crashes. Step number 4. Hard reset your Xbox. Press and hold the power button on your console for several seconds until it fully powered down. Turn it back on, then try launching the game again. Step number 5. Reinstall the game. Uninstall College Football 25 and then reinstall it from your library. Step number 6. Contact Xbox support. If none of the above steps work, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.